Hello students, welcome back. So now I am here with your second chapter. First we have discussed the chapter first what that is also about food, that where does your food comes from. You have discussed about the food habits of animals, and you have discussed about herbivores, carnivores. In that chapter you have discussed about raw ingredients, right? So now we are discussing in this chapter number 2, that is components of food. So what components are present inside your food, right? So number 1 which we are discussing here, that what do different food items contains. So if you are eating a chapati, which kind of nutrients are there or which kind of ingredients are there in that food, right? Why you need to eat different kind of food, right? Step number 2 which we are discussing is nutrients and what they do to our body. So in this one we are going to discuss about the nutrients, right? So in the first chapter I have discussed about the nutrients, that carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, these are all very essential nutrients for your body, and in this one we are discussing in detail, right? Next we are discussing that what these nutrients are going to do good things. These nutrients are going to do a good stuff to your body, right? The next one we are discussing about balanced diet. This also we have discussed in the first chapter, that if you are eating all of the nutrients properly, if you are eating well balanced food, and then you are taking a proper intake of water and the dietary fiber also there in your food, then it is called a combined diet, or you can call it a balanced diet, right? Number 4 we are discussing about deficiency diseases, right? So disease is kind of illness to your body if you are not eating proper food, if you are not eating a proper kind of food, right? If you are eating rice everyday rice, then you are not getting a proper nutrient from roti also, right? So these kind of diseases, अगर एक ही चीज़ खाते रहते हो तो फिर एक ही न्यूट्रिएंट मिलता है, राइट? तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको एक डेफिशिएंसी डिसीज़ की तरफ ले जाती है, एक इलनेस की तरफ ले जाती है. So we are discussing that also. So starting about a meal, right? You are taking breakfast, you are taking your lunch, you are taking dinner, right? This little portions of your day, what you are eating, that is a meal, right? So a meal could consist of chapati, dal and brinjal curry. This is based on whatever region you are, whatever in the region you are staying, right? सो अगर अलग अलग स्टेट में अलग अलग तरह की फूड वेराइटीज़ होती है, दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन 5th स्टैंडर्ड एंड इन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑल्सो, कि हर स्टेट का कोई फेमस फूड आइटम होता है और वो डिफरेंट रीजन में सारी चीज़ें खाते हैं अपनी प्रेफरेंस के अकॉर्डिंग, राइट? So if your meal consists of a dal, a roti, a sabzi or a brinjal curry, right? So the another may be rice, sambar and sabji, right? तो कोई ऐसा है जो किसी दूसरे स्टेट में हर वक्त राइस, सांभर और सब्जी ही खाता है, right? Because that person is used to eat this kind of food, right? Yet another meal is appam, fish curry and vegetable. So in the southern one they are eating appam, they are eating fish curry, they are eating vegetables. So ये कहने का मतलब ये है कि हर चीज़ जो लोग खाते हैं वो उनके स्टेट के मुताबिक अलग अलग होती है. दे आर यूज टू दिस काइंड ऑफ फूड, राइट? सो मील कंसिस्ट करने में कुछ भी हो सकता है. यू आर ईटिंग चपाती, यू आर ईटिंग राइस, यू आर ईटिंग सब्जी, राइट? सो इट इज़ अ कंपल्सरी वेल बैलेंस मील, राइट? कि आपको चपाती लेनी है, आपको दाल लेनी है, आपको रोटी लेनी है, आपको सब्जी लेनी है, राइट? सो दीज थिंग्स आर बैलेंस थिंग, राइट? तो आप रोज़ राइस और सब्जी नहीं खा सकते, राइट? यू आर नॉट ईटिंग ओनली वेजिटेबल, राइट? आप सिर्फ सब्जी खा के भी नहीं रह सकते. यू हैव टू ईट अ प्रॉपर मील. सो दिस इज द थिंग दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मील. So now we are talking about food. So before starting the chapter we are talking about food, and that is very important. So we know that food is a substance eaten by living beings to get energy. हमको पता है कि हम फूड क्यों खाते हैं, टू गेटिंग एनर्जी, राइट? टू गेट एनर्जी, और इसी एनर्जी से हमको पूरे दिन में काम करने की जो स्टेमिना रहती है, इस वजह से हम फूड खाते हैं. सो व्हाट फूड प्रोवाइडर्स, एनर्जी के सिवा फूड हमको क्या क्या प्रोवाइड करता है, दैट वी नीड टू नो हियर. सो फूड प्रोवाइड्स अस एनर्जी टू वर्क, टू ग्रो अवर बॉडी एंड टू रिपेयर अवर बॉडी टिश्यूज़. कहीं पे चोट लगी होती है तो उसको रिपेयर करने के लिए भी फूड चाहिए होता है. सो फूड प्रोवाइड्स अस एनर्जी टू वर्क, टू ग्रो, रिमेन हेल्दी. हेल्दी रहने के लिए भी फूड खाना बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है. एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट अवर बॉडी अगेंस्ट वेरियस डिसीजेज एंड इन्फेक्शन. बॉडी में कई तरीके के डिसीजेज हो जाते हैं, इन्फेक्शंस लग जाते हैं. अगर आपने प्रॉपर फूड खाया है सो यू रिमेन हेल्दी और आपकी इम्यूनिटी का जो लेवल होता है वो सही रहता है, राइट. सो नाउ वी आर नोइंग दैट व्हाट इज़ फूड, व्हाट यू कॉल फूड. हमको तो ये पता है कि भाई फूड हम एनर्जी के लिए लेते हैं और ये सारी चीज़ें हेल्दी रहने के लिए या डिसीज से बचने के लिए फूड खाते हैं. बट व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन ऑफ फूड, राइट. द एडिबल सब्सटेंस विच वी ईट टू ऑब्टेन एनर्जी फॉर ग्रोथ, रिपेयर एंड मेंटेनेंस, राइट. जो खाने की चीज़ है जो आप एनर्जी के लिए लेते हो उसके साथ वो आपके बॉडी को हेल्दी मेंटेन करती है, वो आपकी बॉडी को एनर्जी देती है, ये आपकी बॉडी को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करती है. दैट आइटम और दैट सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड फूड, राइट. So where in that one we have talked about meal, right. So each food item of our meal is made of one or more ingredients. So we have talked about ingredient in our previous chapter, right. In chapter 1 we have discussed that if we are talking about a rice, so rice is basically a mixture. For if you have to make rice, you have to take water and you have to take a grain, right. You have to take a rice. So if you have to make a sabzi, you need vegetables, you need spices, you need oil, right. These kind of things you need. So we can call that each and every food item is made of one or more ingredient, right. So ingredient means कि आपको वो चीज़ बनाने के लिए जो भी चीज़ें चाहिए, that is called a ingredient. So now we are talking about our meals, right. So our meals usually have at least one item. So we are talking about the meal कि अब जब दोपहर को खाने के लिए बैठते हो for the lunch, we have already observed many times that your mom is giving at least one item made up of grain, right. The next item, either if the vegetarian people are there, they eat dal and they eat sabzi. But if the non-vegetarian people are there, they eat at least one dish of meat, right. So talking about the meal means the one item that is made up of grain, it is chapati or you can call it a roti. Then your mom is giving you a dal, a sabzi, then rice, right. So this is a wholesome meal which you are eating every day, right. Next we are discussing that you are eating the other items of food with your meal, right. You are eating curd, you are eating buttermilk, you are eating pickles, right, to give it a better taste with your food, right. If you don't like a sabzi, you are eating pickle with that sabzi, right. So it may also include items like curd, buttermilk and pickles. So these we are talking about a wholesome meal, and then we are talking about the items which you are eating with the meal, right. If you don't like the sabzi, you are eating more pickle. So but the thing is sometimes we may not eat each and every items with the variety, right. Sometimes we may not really have all this variety in our meals. If you are traveling, you cannot eat this whole item, this wholesome meal each and every time. You are eating whatever the thing is available there, right. So it is not possible that each and every time you can eat this wholesome meal. So now we are discussing some examples of meals from different regions, right, that are given here in the table. So first we are talking about state, then the item of grain, then dal or meat item, then the vegetables and other things which we are combining as a wholesome meal, right. So first we are talking about Punjab. So we have heard the famous item of Punjab, that is makke di roti, or you can call it a corn roti. So as an item of grain they are eating makke di roti, right. Then we are talking about item of dal or meat. So the famous item of dal, they have rajma, right, the kidney beans. Talking about the vegetables, the very famous and very delicious vegetable that they are using as a sabji, that is called sarson da saag, right. It is basically a mustard leaf curry that they are calling sarson da saag, right. Then the other items they are using is curd and ghee. The next we are talking about the state, that is about the Andhra Pradesh. So they are eating rice as an item of grain. They are eating tur dal, or they are calling it rasam for the item of dal. As a vegetable they are eating kunduru, that is a type of vegetable, right. As others, they are eating buttermilk, they are eating ghee and they are eating pickle. For the very now we are talking about Gujarat, right, our own state. So the very famous item for the grain which we are eating, that is rice. Then the item of dal, that is tur dal, and one and only the favorite vegetable of all of you, that is a batatanu. In the traditional language we are talking it batatanu shag, or you can call it a potato sabji, right? The other item we are eating, that is buttermilk, and then we are eating salad, right? Sometimes we eat papad and pickle also. So now we are talking about the first topic of the chapter is what do different food items contains, right? So first we are talking about the food sources, right? So in the first chapter we have discussed that there are two major sources of food. Number one, that is animals, and number two, that is plants, right? So we know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients. We have discussed earlier that each and every food item contains one or more ingredient, right? So which we get from two major sources, that is plants and animals, right? So these ingredients contain some component that are needed by our body for its growth, right? ये जो ingredients है उनके अंदर कुछ components होते हैं जो हमारी body के growth के लिए बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं, जो हमारी body के growth को बढ़ाते हैं, tissues को repair करते हैं, and they are going to maintain our body very healthy. So these kind of components are called nutrients, right? Now we are going to talk about the major nutrients in our food, right? So we have discussed that what are nutrients. So now we are going to discuss about the types of nutrients, that how many types of nutrients are there in your body. So first we are talking, that is carbohydrates, then it is proteins, then fats, vitamins, dietary fibers, and water. So these are all kind of nutrients which are present in your which are going to present in your body as a food item, right? जो भी तरीके की different kind of food varieties खाते हो, इसमें से आपको ये सारे nutrients मिलते हैं.